love starting a new site.
Me too!
Have you noticed that all Bozer ever seems to do is boss us around?
Well, he is the boss, Carrie. It's sort of what he's supposed to do.
I think it must be really hard being a boss.
How difficult can it be?
Oh, just because you're bossy doesn't mean you could be the boss.
Actually, I think it does.
I think you've got a point there, Carrie. There's no reason why you shouldn't be the boss. Why don't you just roll over to Bozer and ask him? Easy as diesel.
And why is that so funny? You think I wouldn't do it, don't you?
No, I'm sure you would. Boss!
Well, I'll show you two twittering tow trucks. I'm going over there right now.
Wait a minute. What if he does say yes?
Oh, trust me, Scooch. There is no way that would ever happen. Absolutely no way.
You take over as boss? That's a marvellous idea, Carrie.
Huh?
I've got to go off-site to get some gravel, so you can take over till I return. Hey, everyone. I've got a job to do, so Carrie will be taking over as boss till I get back.
What?
Keep the sand moving and shift the stones. It's my fork on the line now. We've got to get this stuff over to Maxine Speedo.
Carrie, why don't you go and boss the big machines?
Oh, really? Well, perhaps I better had.
Carrie? Carrie? Those stones back there, they're a bit big for concrete. Do you, think we should break them up a bit?
Diggs, who's the boss?
You are.
So, get scooping. I've got some bossing to do.
All this power's really going to her roof rack.
Everything all right here?
Well, boss, I am loading Maxine with the water for the concrete now. Splashy stuff water. Very splashy.
Carl, will you watch what you're doing back there?
Carrie, Carrie, I'll say this one more time. These stones are too big.
Diggs, hello? Who's the boss?
You.
And I say that we should let the loading process begin.
Okay.
Concrete, concrete. Concrete, concrete. Concrete, concrete.
Jamming, jamming.
She's jamming, she's jamming. We're all jamming, we're all jamming.
No, really. Jamming. Stone's too big. I'm jamming. I'm jamming. I'm jammed. No more concrete for today.
Oh no, but that was the most important thing. What are we going to do?
Well, you're the boss. Why don't you tell us?
Wait. I've got an idea. Diggs, what if we put the right mix in you and, Carl could shake you up and down like a pile hammer?
What? I don't think so.
No. Wait. I've got it. What if we put the right mix in you, Scooch, and you drive up and down some really bumpy road? That should shake it up.
Probably give me a flat tire.
Oh, okay. So, what if we,
I'll take it from here, Carrie.
Bozer!
Right, everybody. We have no mixer, so we are going to have to become a mixer. Maxine, I'll need your concrete recipe.
Uh-huh.
Scooch and Diggs, you can load the ingredients into lug. And Carl, attach your auger.
Okay.
We are going to whip concrete.
Now that's what I call a boss.
Take 3 scoops of dry cement. 1, 2, 3. Add half a dumpster of sand. Some water and some broken stones. It's gonna be just grand. Everybody ready?
Now mix. Ladies and gentlemen, we have concrete. Well done, everybody. Where's Carrie?
I think she went over there.
Don't do that. You'll rust up your headlights.
Oh, Bozer, I really made a mess of things.
No, you didn't. Well, if Maxine had jammed on me, I'd have given up for the day. But it was your ideas that made me think we could do something about it. You just didn't know how to see it through, that's all. Having good ideas is a big part of being a boss, Carrie. And one day, you'll be a fine one.
Really?
You can bet your boot on it. But for now, I'm the boss. So wipe that windscreen and get back to those girders. We've got foundations to lay.
Thanks, Bozer. You really are a great boss.
Takes one to know one.
So, you're not the boss anymore, eh?
No.
You know, you were quite good at it. For a forklift.
Yeah, you were really brave. I couldn't have done it.
Oh, thanks.
Well, don't worry. Whatever happens, you'll always be the bossiest of us 3.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, thanks, guys. Oi, wait a minute. Ooh.